Okay, let's go ahead and talk about mail merge for letters or for emails. And you want to put somebody's name in there and some other information. So first off, you need an Excel spreadsheet or a CVS file or an Access database that has the information that you're going to pull into your letter. So in this case, I have student first and last name. I have their grade and their graduation day that they're supposed to come to graduation. Okay, then I'm going to go out to my letter. So I want to type a letter and leave things blank where I want to put in information. You might highlight this or something as you're typing so that you remember to come in and add that item later. All right, so mail merge is quite simple actually. I'm going to click on mailings because it's going to go from left to right. So we're not doing labels and envelopes. Instead, we are going to do the select recipients. That's our very first thing that we need to do. We're going to select recipients. Then we're going to insert our merge fields. Then we're going to preview, and then we're going to finish and merge. Okay, so we select recipients. That means go get my Excel spreadsheet that has the data in it. Okay, and it says which one, if you have multiple sheets in this workbook, which sheet has it. I have the mail merge sheet, and I'll click OK. Okay, now I'm going to insert my fields. I put my cursor where I want my field. I'm going to put a space there, and I'm going to insert first, and then I'm going to insert last. Now I want to put the grade in here, and I want to insert grade, and then yours will be held on, and I want to insert the graduation, whether it's Saturday or not. Okay, so right now it has all these fields in here. You'll notice I didn't put the spaces in, and that was on purpose. So watch what happens when I click on preview. See, I don't have a space there or a colon, so I'm going to put the space in right now and put a colon in here. And I can proofread all of this now. Oh, I need a period here. And after the grade, a grade of, I put that field in the wrong spot. It needs to be moved over. So I'm going to unclick preview and I'm going to delete this. I need a grade of, I click here, insert field, grade. And now I'm going to preview again. Okay, dear Mike Smith, grade of B will be held on Saturday. And I can, just do a couple of these and refer back to my data to make sure that it's correct. So here we have dear Cameron Fallow, grade of C, Saturday. Cameron Fallow, grade of C, Saturday. Okay, perfect. So when I have finished kind of previewing these results, making sure it looks right, then I click on the finish and merge, and I can either print the documents or send as an email message. If you're sending email, please bring up Outlook before you do this last step. It can freeze up the computer if it tries to do the merge and open up Outlook at the same time. So make sure that you open up the Outlook program before you say send email messages. Other than that, that's the end for mail merge. You'll notice that you can also do envelopes and labels. Be sure if you do this that you pick your envelope or your label size to begin with so you have the right format.